Most people think checking a Starbucks gift card balance is obvious. But here's the truth no one tells you. The balance often looks missing simply because it's being checked in the wrong place or under the wrong account. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to check your Starbucks gift card balance in 2026, the correct methods step by step, and the common mistakes that confuse users so you always know your real balance instantly. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how it works. A Starbucks gift card balance is stored inside your account or app on Starbucks. It does not always show on a simple homepage. Instead, it is tied to your Starbucks rewards account or card wallet inside the app. Now here's the first and easiest method. Open the Starbucks app and log into your account. Once inside, go to the cards or wallet section. If your gift card is added correctly, you will immediately see the available balance displayed there. Alex checked his balance this way after a purchase, and instantly saw his remaining amount without any extra steps. But here's where most people get confused. They expect the balance to show on the home screen or in the order history. That is not how the system works. The balance only appears in the card section or during checkout when paying for drinks. Now here's the second method. And this is where it gets interesting. If you have not added your gift card yet, you need to manually enter it. Go to Add Card in the app, enter the card number and security code, and once it is saved, your balance will appear instantly. But here's the problem. Many users assume their card is empty when they simply never added it to the app. So, always confirm whether the card is actually linked. Now, let's talk about another common issue. Sometimes the balance is added, but does not show correctly. This is usually a sync problem inside the app. Jake experienced this where his balance showed 0 at first, but after logging out and logging back in, it updated instantly. So if something looks wrong, refresh the app, log out, or reinstall it if needed. Now here's where it gets interesting again. If you are using multiple Starbucks accounts, your balance might be in a different profile. Many people accidentally create 2 accounts and confuse them. So always double check you are logged into the correct one. Now here's another important detail. Region mismatch can also affect visibility. If your gift card is from one country and your account region is set to another, the balance may not display properly or may not sync at all. So always make sure your account country matches your card region. But here's the problem. Even when everything is correct, temporary system delays can still happen. Starbucks servers can sometimes take a few minutes to update balances, especially during busy hours. In that case, waiting a short time and reopening the app usually fixes it automatically. Now here's the final tip most people ignore. You can also check your balance during checkout. When you order a drink in the app, your available card balance will show before you confirm payment. This is a quick way to verify funds instantly. So let's quickly summarize. You check your Starbucks gift card balance through the app wallet section, by adding the card, or during checkout. Most issues come from wrong login, missing card setup, sync delays, or region mismatch. And once you understand this system, checking your balance becomes instant and completely stress-free. If this video helped you, like it, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple guides that make everyday tasks easier and faster.